Hi everyone, welcome back to Phemex. Today, we're going to show you how to copy trade as a top trader on our platform. Let's get started. Firstly, register or make sure to log into your Phemex account. Once you've done that, hover on Contract and click the second button titled Copy Trade. Once you have clicked that, you will be presented with a list of all the top recommended traders, along with their credentials. Just click this button right here to apply to be a top trader. You will be redirected to the Apply to be a Top Trader page, where you will see all the benefits you can get as a result of being a top trader with Phemex. There's quite a few benefits, such as receiving a share of the profits made by those who copy your trades, so it's pretty worthwhile to be a top trader. After reading all the details, you can just click Join Now to begin your journey as a top trader. Now, a pop-up will appear explaining that you must configure some basic copy trade settings before using the top trader feature for the first time. This is pretty standard, so we're going to show you how to navigate this. Click on Go to Settings that will pop up on the screen. Then, in your profile settings, scroll down until you see Copy Trade Settings. Now, you have to make sure that you have selected the contracts you would like to trade. For the minimum copy trade amount, Phemex allows you to trade for any amount between 50 to 100 USD. Once you have decided on your minimum copy trade amount, fill up the column labeled Min Copy Trade Amount. Once you have done that, click Save for all the new changes you made. Lastly, you will get another pop-up message. Just click the blue button Confirm to further affirm your changes. And that's it. Congrats! You are now officially a top trader. Make sure to check out Phemex user guides for more tutorials on how to use our services.